Tundra TRD Pro 2025 just coming out the TonnoFlip shop. Look at this beauty right here. We are just finished with it. We were installing the TFP door visors and the hard folding tonneau cover, but before I show you these accessories, I want you to look at the whole truck just coming out here. TonnoFlip shop. Hard folding tonneau cover, TFP door visors completely flush on this Tundra. Look how they sit on it. Here we have the hard folding tonneau cover by TonnoFlip. And we have Christopher here installing the TonnoFlip bed mat to protect that bed from any scratches. Laser cut. I want you to see how it looks once it's finished with the installation. I'm gonna show you how it looks installed on this Tundra 2025. Perfect fitment, laser cut, very precise here. It's not missing any edge, anything. So anything that spills here, you're gonna be able to take it out. It's gonna stay on the bed mat, and then it's gonna protect your bed from any scratches or damage. Look at this, perfect fitment on this Tundra. Plus we have the hard folding tonneau cover here. I'm gonna be showing you now the operation. We have two prop rods here on this hard folding tonneau cover. One on the driver's side and another one on the passenger side. This is to hold the tonneau cover open against the cabin. If you're driving with the cover fully open, you get 100% access to your bed, and you can drive with the cover fully open on the highway with the cover against the cabin here. I'm gonna show you here the bumper stoppers on the cabin here, so no damage is gonna be happening here. The bumper stoppers prevent the tonneau cover from hitting the cabin. So we're gonna be closing the prop rods here so we can operate the cover and close it up. We have a 3-panel system made of aluminum, latching on the rails. Rails are installed in the factory holes here. As you can see, there is no modifications done here. The factory rail is relocated down here so you don't miss this function. It's attached to the rail on the tonneau cover. And the tonneau cover sits on the rail system, locking 3 times, 1 on each panel. When you close the tonneau cover, it sits flush on the bed, preventing any water from coming in, protecting your gear and everything inside. As you can see, it closes perfectly, even with the TRD Pro tailgate that's automatic. Perfect seal here. TonnoFlip tonneau cover, hard folding by TonnoFlip. You're gonna be able to get all these products at TonnoFlip.com. Also, we have a Hyundai Santa Cruz here, also installing the hard folding tonneau cover. Look, it's almost finishing this installation. Another one here at TonnoFlip shop. This is every day. We're not just an online store. We've been doing this for 14 years, and now we're bringing it to the States. TonnoFlip.com, launching March 2026. New warehouse in Miami, Florida. If you like pickup trucks, you should subscribe to the best channel, TonnoFlip.